Hello, Sahit Bhavan, Agra. I hope all of you students seen the books and the publication. Okay. First of all, you have write down the unit first. What type of topic discuss this class? First of all, discuss the various type of topic such as introduction, corporate tax, tax evasion, tax avoidance, tax planning, tax management, and dividend tax. First of all, you have write down the topic. This is a different topic under the unit first, such as introduction. Hello, hello. So first of all, you have discussed the uh, tax planning. Simply tax planning. What do you mean by tax planning? Is the arrangement of financial activity in such a way that maximum tax benefit are enjoyed by making use of all beneficial provision in the tax law. Please write down the tax planning is the arrangement of financial activities. Okay, hello. In such a way that maximum tax benefit are enjoyed by making use of all beneficial provision in the tax law. It entitled the SAC to avail certain exemption, deduction, rebate, and relief so as to minimize his tax liability. Okay, tax liability. Anybody explain what do you mean by tax liability? Hello, uh, that you mean say that direct or and indirect, any type of tax. Okay, only direct, yeah, both. Hello, hello, hello. मैंने पूछा only single type of tax या both, any direct or indirect. Not implement indirect. बताओ बेटे. No, no, you are right. Corporation tax is a such type of direct tax. But now this topic discuss the liability, tax liability. तो वो तो दोनों में इम्प्लीमेंट हो सकती है ना बेटे, डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट दोनों में। फॉर्म अलग अलग हो जाएगा, डायरेक्ट का अलग, इनडायरेक्ट का अलग। अगर हम कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स लायबिलिटी की बात करेंगे तो सच एज ट्रीटेड एज डायरेक्ट टैक्स, ओके, such as wealth tax, income tax, property tax, import and export tax, duties. तो वो this type or all of type this tax is involved direct, related to direct. And the central tax, जो वैट था पहले, अब जीएसटी हो गया कॉन्सेप्ट, है ना, एक्साइज ड्यूटी, कस्टम ड्यूटी, ये सब इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स के पार्ट होंगे बेटे। चलिए, नाउ दिस टॉपिक कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स प्लानिंग। Your topic is corporate tax planning and management. So what do you mean by the uh, first of all discuss the corporation tax, है ना? So what do you, any corporation tax is related to company. So first of all you have defined the company. You know what do you mean by company? Anybody explain? Correct, correct. And such type of an artificial person. Okay, correct, and have a common seal. You are right. Any Indian company or any body corporate incorporated by order the law of country outside India, or company for any assessment year under the Indian Income Tax Act for any assessment year starting on before 1st April, है ना, any institution या association or body whether incorporated or not, and whether Indian or non-Indian, which is declared by the journal or special order of the board of the to be company. So first of all discuss the Indian company. So Indian company means company formed and registered under Indian Company Act, and second any law relating to company which was in the force of any part of India, and third corporation established by order a central or state or provincial act, and fourth any institution or association or body which is declared by the board to be company. In all cases it is necessary that the registered office must be situated in India. ओवरऑल डिस्कशन का जो बेसिकली जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, जिस्ट है, वो क्या है बेटे, जो आपको राइट डाउन करना है कि इट इज नेसेसरी दैट दियर रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस मस्ट बी सिचुएटेड इन इंडिया, ओके, दैट वी आर कॉल्ड इंडियन कंपनी. And second, domestic company. And it means an Indian company or any other company which is respect of its income liable to income tax under the Income Tax Act has made the prescribed arrangement for the declaration and payment within India, or the dividend payable out of such income. Any doubt? You know difference between Indian company and domestic company. Any doubt? Anybody? And now start the company in which the public or public in the following cases any company is said to be company in which the public or substantially interested is the first point है, it is a company owned by the government or the RBI in which not less than 40% shares are held by the government or RBI. Yeah, or corporation owned by the RBI. And second, it is company which is registered under Section 8 of Company Act 2013. And third, it is company having no share capital, and it is declared by the order the Central Board of Direct Tax to be company in which the public. And fourth, it is a company which is not private company and whose equity shares carrying not less than 50% of the voting power were beneficially held throughout the previous year by the government. So now this topic corporate tax planning. So you are also explain the liable to pay the tax, liable to pay the liability. But before studied the tax liabilities, discuss the any residence of companies. So you know resident a company is said to be resident in India any previous year. If first it is an Indian company, second it place of effective management in that year is in India. थ्री टाइप ऑफ नहीं कहना चाहिए फॉर्म ऑफ द रेजिडेंस रेजिडेंट नॉन ऑर्डनरी रेजिडेंट एंड नॉन रेजिडेंट एनी डाउट residence of the companies. First of all, discuss the residence of the companies. Please write down residence of the companies. Three type of structure of the residence. First of all, resident. Second, not ordinary resident, and third, not only non-resident. Okay. Hello. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ रेजिडेंट में क्या होगा अ कंपनी इज सेड टू बी रेजिडेंट इंडिया इन एनी प्रीवियस ईयर is the first point. It is an Indian company, and second it plays of effective management in that year is in India. You know place of effective management, explain me. Hello. Second point is explain its place of effective management in that year is in India. Hello. Very good. And you mean that any commercial any decision that are necessary for the conduct of the business of an entity as whole in India, no? Hello, hello. Second category, not ordinary resident बेटे. A company is never not ordinary resident. इसमें सिर्फ इतना ही राइट डाउन करना है. Company is never not ordinary resident. Okay. And third, non-resident. If a company does not satisfy any of the aforesaid condition residence, so it is said to be the non-resident company. You know, condition, such type of basic condition and additional condition बेटे. अब आपने बुक नहीं पढ़ी, बुक में ऑलरेडी गिवन है, एक चैप्टर है बाकायदा रेजिडेंस एंड टैक्स लाइबिलिटी. मैं उसको सेंड कर दूंगा तो आप पढ़ लीजिएगा उसको. उसमें बेसिक कंडीशन भी गिवन है और एडिशनल कंडीशन भी आई होप गिवन है. तो नाउ भी अब जब आपने ये कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर कर लिया कि रेजिडेंस ऑफ कंपनीज बेटे, देन यू हैव आल्सो डिस्कस द एनी कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स प्लानिंग. तो कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स प्लानिंग दैट मीन्स सच टाइप ऑफ प्लानिंग. टैक्स प्लानिंग रिप्रेजेंट अ फॉरवर्ड लुकिंग एक्टिविटी as opposed to tax compliance or reporting which reflect back or event that have already take place. Corporation typically engage certified public accountant of tax for technical advice in this complicated area. So objective of the corporate tax planning, what type of objective? So basically one, 2, 3, 4, and 5 objective is given also. Please write down. First of all, reduction of tax liability. Second objective, minimize of litigation. And third, productive productivity investment. And fourth, healthy growth of economy. And finally, economic stability. I hope all of you should write down this point, such type of objective. First of all, reduction of tax liability, and second, minimization of litigation, and third, productivity investment, and fourth, healthy growth of economy, and fifth, economic stability. Hello, I hope write down this point. So first of all, reduction of tax liability. I also explain reduction, and that means save SEC can save the maximum amount of tax. That means reduction of tax liability by properly arranging operation as per the requirement of the law, any within the framework of the status. Okay, that means reduction of tax liability. And second, minimization of litigation. So there is a war-like situation between the taxpayer and tax collector, as the former wants the tax liability to be the minimum, while the latter attempt to extract the maximum. So as proper tax planning aim and conforming to provision of the tax law in such way that litigation is minimized. And third, productivity investment. One of the major objective of the tax planning is channelization of the taxable income to different investment plan. Such type of plan basically object aim at the optimum utilization of the resources for productive any causes and relieving the SSE from tax liability. And fourth, healthy growth of economy. That means the growth of development of the economy greatly depend of maximum and depend upon on the growth of its citizen. That tax planning measure involve generating uh, white money that flow freely and result in the sound progress of the economy. And last point, economic stability. Proper tax planning bring economic stability by various techniques such as mobilizing resources for national projects or availing away for investment which are productivity in nature. Overall, tax planning follow an honest approach to achieve maximum benefit of the tax law by applying the script and mortal of law. So therefore, the objective do not in any contradict the concept of the tax law. Is a such type of planning, short range planning, permissive tax planning, and a purposive tax planning. हेलो। अब मैं आपको इसमें जो बुक से रिलेटेड जो मैटर है बेटे, वो अभी मैं इसको फोटो खींच करके इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले करके आपको सेंड किए दे रहा हूँ। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव रीड, ओके। एंड नेक्स्ट क्लास में हमारा जो टॉपिक होगा, ये जो मैटर मैं भेज रहा हूँ टोटल थ्योरेटिकल है, जो फर्स्ट यूनिट का टॉपिक है ना, जिसमें कॉरपोरेशन टैक्स, टैक्स एवेशन, टैक्स एवाइडेंस, टैक्स प्लानिंग, टैक्स मैनेजमेंट, ये सारे इनका डिटेल आपको एज अ शॉर्ट नोट्स मिल जाएगा। और नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हमारा होगा वो कैलकुलेशन ऑफ द टोटल इनकम ऑफ द कंपनीज, ओके। उसी में न्यूमेरिकल पार्ट स्टार्ट होगा। तो नेक्स्ट क्लास कल कल में होगी। ओके। ओके बेटे। वीडियो पॉज कर दो, वीडियो को जो बनाई यूट्यूब में। हाँ, रोक दो उसको।